everyone, and welcome to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh, and yes, it is -1 degrees right now in Minnesota. But guess what? I'm out here and I'm going to show you guys a beautiful boat. So right behind me is a 2023 Sea Ray 400 SLX. It's a staple in Sea Ray's model lineup. Looking at the exterior, like we do on all of our boats, you have a beautiful black hull side with the horizon gel stripe, which is like a gray. It's got a white hull bottom. It looks really good, ties in with the theme in the inside of this 400 because it has a stone interior, which is like a gray. I'll go over that in a little bit. Up in the front, you do have a nice stainless steel windlass anchor. Looks really sharp, just ties into the boat itself, and it's really easy to use. As we work our way back, you look up, you have a nice hard top. You have the extended shade that will come aft and give you a lot more shade just in the sun. So it's a nice little feature. Maybe it starts to rain too, and you can use that just to protect yourself a little bit. As we work our way to the transom, you'll see just below the swim platform, which is automatic by the way, you'll have twin 8.2 liter MerCruiser engines. They produce 430 horsepower a piece. That gives you a total of 860 horsepower. Yes, that was some quick math. Now, it also is optioned with underwater lights. It has the DRS, the dynamic running surface, which are automatic trim tabs to level this boat out when the driver is underway. Or I'm sorry, when the boat is underway. Looking at the swim platform, it is very big up top here. You have SeaDeck, which is really nice on the feet. Again, this is automatic. It does drop down into the water. Gives you just a nice feel when you're anchored. You can step onto that, make it easier to get up into the boat, or you can sit on that in the water. Very universal, and it gives you options. In the back, you'll see 3 speakers, a nice lounging pad that I'll go over in a second, and a nice big starboard side entryway into the cockpit. That was the exterior. Thanks for sticking with me on that. Let's go take a peek at the interior. All right, we're up top on the 400 SLX, and I'll point out right away this big storage area in this 400. You can most definitely fit a paddleboard in there, which is great. A lot of great space, very usable. I'll shut this, and you're gonna have a nice sun pad in the back here. So a lot of space to lounge and hang out. And again, there's no safety railing back here, so you cannot sit back here when the boat is underway. But when you're anchored or the boat's at a standstill, certainly can sit back here and enjoy the sun. Now, starboard side entryway. You have a side gunnel that actually folds down. So this part of the boat, or this side of the boat here, folds down, gives you more space. It's like an expansion of living space on this 400, which is really cool. You can jump off that into the water, use it as just more space to get around into the back here if you'd like. As we walk inside here, you'll notice right away this big teak table, and it does fold as well. Just to make it a little bit easier to get inside into the seats, you can fold it and start walking around. A lot of space for seating. Great boat to accommodate a lot of people on. You have this nice little, you could say, galley type area. You have a nice countertop space up top. Put your drinks, put your foods up here. Maybe you have sandwiches or whatnot. It does have a grill top. Open this up, you have a grill top here, a sink, dual refrigerators down below, garbage can access right here, 2 garbage cans, look at that. So a lot of nice amenities on this 400 to have a great day on the water, and a very spacious. This boat is yacht certified, so you can have as many people on this boat as you feel comfortable, or as long as the driver feels comfortable, and you have enough life jackets for everybody on the boat. You have a nice little seat right here. Some more cup holders that you can see around this entire boat. Again, great space. Now this boat does have the RGB lighting that can change to any color that you do want. Purple, green, yellow, blue, whatever it may be. You can customize it to whatever you'd like, which is cool. It has the double wide seats up in the bow, or I'm sorry, not in the bow, but up in the cockpit here by the helm. The passenger seat is double wide. You can fit 2 people. And it's cool because when we move to the helm here, you'll see the captain's chair, kind of this co-captain's chair. Again, 2 people can sit here. You can have your wife or whoever it may be sit right here and kind of take in the experience with you as the driver. You have your dual SIMRAD screens here, which is great. Your physical buttons down below. Your flush mounted Fusion audio system right here for the sound. Okay, and then looking at your throttles over here. You have dual throttles that you can sync to use one throttle on this boat. So that you can control this boat with just one throttle, which is so cool. Your joystick is located right here. So it has Axios joysticks for docking purposes, or in tight situations where you don't feel as comfortable using the throttles, you can use the joystick to make it that much more maneuverable. Okay, you have your Lenco DRS, dynamic running surface. Again, your automatic trim tabs as well. So that's really the helm area, very nicely appointed, very comfortable, okay? Now, there is a cabin down below, and let's walk down here for a second because maybe we can get a little bit warmer, possibly. There's 3 easy steps down, okay? You have a wet head over here, so you have a toilet, sink. You have a bed down below, queen size. You have a nice little berth up front here too. Again, this can convert, so you can actually make this a nice little bed as well. There is a table and a pedestal for it. Refrigerator, microwave, TV, all these nice features down here to be able to get out of the sun if you've been in it for a long time and really just relax for a second. This is a great spot down here to do it. Grab handle, again, 3 easy steps up, 3 easy steps down. Let's walk to the front and check out this big bow on this 400. Again, nice big port side walkthrough all the way up into the bow. Look at how much space you have up here. It's incredible. And one thing I'll point out, these vinyl wrapped grab handles, which is super nice. The stainless steel does get hot. And if, in the summer when it's 90 degrees out, it'll get very hot. And you for sure could burn yourself on it. Sea Ray takes that, into consideration. They wrap their grab handles in vinyl. A lot nicer, very, very nice. Up in the bow, again, a lot of space. Your speakers up here, your RGB lighting, a lot of space to hang out and sit. Even down here, you can have 3 people across, all very comfortable with armrests, and even more spots up there for seating. So very, very cool. A lot of space. It's an entertainer's dream right here. You guys, if you have any questions on this Sea Ray 400 SLX, please give us a call or come stop by. Again, it is very cold in here. Thank you for sticking with me throughout this entire time. And if you have any questions, again, give us a call or stop by our MarineMax Rogers location. We would be glad to help you out. Thank you.